HDPE pipes, also known as hydropolythene or poly pipes, can be quite challenging to join and seal these. If you do not know this simple and best way of joining them, using these so-called compression fittings or HDPE pipe couples. So the HDPE pipe coupling consists of 5 main parts, namely nut, clinching ring, blocking bush, gasket ring, and the main body. These parts must be properly assembled to create a strong and airtight joint. I will show you how to do it in this video. First, use hacksaw to create a rough surface and increase grip. Enter the nut, as shown, followed by a clinching ring. The clinching ring is what creates a grip and holds the pipe in place. Then insert the blocking bush, the bigger side first. Insert the gasket ring, and now out your pipe. As shown, use a small substance, a nail or screwdriver, to push the ring inside. Then push the blocking ring, making sure it is uniformly inserted right round. Insert the clinching ring, and lastly, the nut. Tighten the nut. You are good to go.